In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to change the size of desktop icons in Windows 11. If you wanted to make it smaller or larger this is what we have to do. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we have to go over here into desktop, then you have to right click. Now from here there is an option called view, and if you go to this you can see we have three options here. So the first one it's called small icon, and we have medium icon, and we have large icon. So if we set this to the small icon, this is how it looks like. Now as you can see, the icons on your desktop is being reduced into the smaller size. Now if you wanted to change it back to the medium or larger, this is what we have to do. What you need to do is go back to the desktop, then you have to right click, go to the view, then change or click on the large icons over here, so all the icons will be larger here as it is. Now if you wanted to change it back to the previous one or the default one, which is called the medium one, what you need to do is we have to go over here, right click and go to the view. Now from here click set this to the medium icons over here like this, so it will be medium over here like this. So this is how you can enlarge or decrease the size of the apps on your desktop, on your computer or PC on your Windows. And I hope this quick video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.